Hey there! In this video, I'm going to walk you through HD Quiz, a WordPress plugin that lets you build quizzes right inside your site. If you've been looking for a simple way to create interactive quizzes, you're in the right place. Once the plugin is installed, you land on the main HD Quiz page. This is where I started building my quizzes, managing questions, and tweaking settings. Everything is pretty intuitive, even if it's your first time. Creating a quiz is as simple as naming it. For example, I typed in animals, hit enter, and the quiz was created right away. From there, I could jump in to start adding questions. HD Quiz supports a few different question types. I was able to choose from multiple choice, text or image-based, select all that apply, and text input where users have to type the answer. One nice thing is that I could upload images for both the questions and the answers. That made the quiz feel more dynamic, especially when I wanted to create a visual question like, which of these is the largest animal? It also lets you add tooltips for hints and even show custom messages if someone gets a question wrong, which is pretty handy for educational quizzes. There's a settings panel where I could set pass-fail percentages, customize result messages, enable a timer either for the whole quiz or per question, and choose whether to randomize the question or answer order. Another feature I explored was the ability to share results on social media. It's optional, but a good addition if you want users to share their scores. I used the shortcode generated by the plugin to embed the quiz on any page or post. There's even a custom block if you're using the Gutenberg editor, which made the process even smoother. When the quiz goes live, it works well across devices. I tested mine on mobile, and it was just as responsive as on desktop. As users take the quiz, it highlights correct and incorrect answers, and based on the settings, you can even show them the correct answer right away. So, HD Quiz is simple and does what it promises. I was able to get a quiz up and running quickly with enough flexibility for styling, question variety, and result customization. What I liked most is that it's completely free, mobile-friendly, and integrates well with any WordPress theme. You also get unlimited quizzes and questions, which is great if you're planning to create a lot of content. That said, there are a few limitations. For example, it doesn't come with built-in analytics or detailed result tracking, so if you want features like leaderboards or the ability to save quiz results, you'll need to get the premium add-ons. Also, design customization is a bit limited unless you add the styler extension. Still, if you're after a lightweight quiz builder that works out of the box, HD Quiz is worth trying. And if you're looking for something with more advanced features or deeper analytics, there is another tool that I would recommend checking out: Nuclear Engagement. Nuclear Engagement makes it super easy to generate quizzes for your content, especially if you're using WordPress. With just one click, it can create AI-generated quizzes directly from your blog posts, saving you time while boosting engagement. What's really impressive is that it doesn't just generate one quiz. It can process all your blog posts at once in just a few seconds. That's a huge time saver, and honestly, I haven't seen other tools do that. You can fully customize the quiz settings, choose how many questions to include, and even set where the quiz appears, before, after, or within your content. Unlike some platforms, Nuclear Engagement lets you fine-tune everything, from question formats to email opt-ins and even post categories. It integrates seamlessly with automation tools like Zapier and Make, making lead capture effortless. If you're looking for a more customizable AI-powered alternative, check out Nuclear Engagement. I've added a link below so you can explore it for yourself.